Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to fix YouTube playback speed not working. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the YouTube application on your phone. And now once you open it, let's try to use or play any video. I'll play this video for example. Now when you click on the gear icon on the top right side right here, you can choose the speed of the video. But if you cannot actually change it, you have to scroll down a little bit, go and click on any one of the short videos, then go back again and go back to the video that you have been watching. Click on the cogwheel icon first, then click on the playback speed and change the playback speed to anything that you actually need. Then try to click on the play button again and see how the video is actually playing on the speed that you have actually chosen. And that is it. This is how you can actually solve the problem. You just need to open a small short video in the background. And that's all, guys. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.